In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile two payments to one invoice in Xero. This process is quite straightforward but requires a bit of attention to detail, so we'll walk through it step by step to make sure you grasp all the nuances. Let's begin by logging into your Xero account. It might seem trivial, but ensuring a secure login is the first crucial step. You'll start by visiting the Xero website. Look for the login button, and once you find it, click on it to proceed. Next, enter your email and password. Remember, it's always a good idea to use strong, unique passwords to keep your account secure. Once you've filled in your information, click on Login again to access your Xero dashboard. After you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Xero dashboard. From here, look for the option to reconcile items. This will take you to the section where you can review and manage your transactions. In the reconciliation section, you need to locate the customer who has made the two payments you intend to reconcile with one invoice. Select this customer from the list. It's important to make sure you have the correct customer, so double check before proceeding to ensure there are no mistakes. Once you've selected the customer, the next step is to click on Find and Match. This handy feature allows you to search and match multiple transactions to a single invoice seamlessly. When you're in the Find and Match section, you should see a list of transactions related to the customer you selected. What you need to do now is carefully select the two payments that need to be applied to the one invoice. At this point, if you select the correct transactions, you'll see that the system automatically attempts to match them to any outstanding invoices from this customer. Carefully review the matches it suggests. If everything aligns, you're good to go. Finally, once you've ensured the two payments are accurately matched to the invoice, go ahead and click on Reconcile. By doing this, Xero will officially reconcile these payments against the invoice, updating your records and making sure everything is in order. And there you have it, you've successfully reconciled two payments to one invoice in Xero. Remember, attention to detail is key when performing reconciliations like this, as it ensures your financial records remain accurate and up to date. If you're ever unsure, it's always a good idea to double check each selection before finalizing your reconciliation. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you now feel more confident handling reconciliations in Xero. Thanks for watching.